The BIM 360 upload tool allows you to modify your project sets and sheets, as well as sending sheets up to your BIM 360 project folder up in the cloud. This video will demonstrate how to use this tool properly. The user interface is designed to be similar to the publish settings dialog you're already familiar with under the Collaborate tab, and the functionality is designed to be the same. The only difference with this tool and the publish settings is you are not required to sync whenever you make changes to your sets and sheets, or if you want to send sheets up to BIM 360. In order to create or modify sets, you have these buttons over here, which should already look familiar. You have new set, rename set, duplicate set, and delete set. So if we want to create a new set, the process is the same. And there's new. And you can see we successfully created a set. And let's go ahead and duplicate that newly created set. I'm just going to leave this as is, but you can type in whatever you wish. So as you can see, it created the set and it copied that newly created set. So let's go ahead and add some views. You have right here, you have your filter list filters of your sets. Let's go ahead and take a look. So say we select a set that already has views. We can see that currently it's displaying all views and sheets in the set. If we want to go to just 3D views, this set doesn't have any, but if it did have 3D views, it would populate here and it'll filter properly. And if you want to go to all views and sheets in the model per se, it will list, regardless of what set you select, it will show all and every view in the model. The search bar function is self-explanatory. It allows you to search the name of the sheet. So let's say I want to view something with the name contained the letters WB. You can see that all the views, all the sheets in the project are now filtered by whatever has the WB in its name. So if I want to be more specific and search for the window box 0414. So we type that in. You can see it. You can see that now the list is shortened, and you can now only see those with WB 0414 in the view name. So I'm going to go ahead and add sets to the newly created sets. So let's go ahead and add to my new set rename set. We will add these two views. We will add two views to it. Front and left view of detail mold. And to the copy of the set, we'll just add a couple more things. Let's just say we'll just add these schedule sheets. So these highlighted green, meaning that these are new sheets being added to the set. If we go back and highlight, you can see these are being added. If we want to remove from a view from an existing set, we can click on one with views already, and we can say, let's go to all views and sheets in the set. Let's get rid of our filter. And if we want to remove any, we would just uncheck that box and it will highlight red, meaning whenever you save and send or save and close, it will remove those views from the set. So I'm going to leave this one alone though. And we're just going to use the new sets we just created. All right. So we add, and then we add 2 sets and 2 sets, 2 sheets and 2 sheets. We have to make sure, in order if we want to save and send or save and close, we have to make sure they're selected in the set box, make sure they're check marked. Otherwise, their changes won't apply or send. So what if we want to send the sheets, save our changes and send the sheets? First, we would have to, once we have our sets modified to how we want them, we have to select BIM 360 export location. You click on it, a dialog will show up containing the top level folders of that project. In this case, it should be the plans or the project files folders. So you can see all it pulls all the folders from that project and populates them in this dialog box. You can either select a folder, or you can create a folder on BIM straight from the app. So I'm going to go ahead and select Dana Ray Dev Test. You can see it made the currently selected folder. So if we go ahead and say select folder, it'll lock that folder in, and then you're ready to send. If you do not want to send, if you want to send, you would click just save and send. That will save your changes and send them up to BIM 360. But if you just want to save and not send, you would just have to hit save and close. A little notification next to the save and close button tells you what sets are about to be modified on save. Let's double check, make sure you have your sets modified to how you want them, with these 2 views on that set and these 2 views on this set. Let's hit save and close. And it'll take a few seconds to view the changes, to apply the changes. And then if we go in the Collaborate tab and check Publish Settings to verify that the tool has created those sets and add those views, we will go open the Publish Settings dialog. Then we find our new sets. So we see our new copy sets. Copy new set rename. We add these 2 sets. And then new set rename, the original one. You can see it added these sets, added these views. So our WB and our wall section and our partial second floor. And that's how you use the BIM 360 Upload plugin.